Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Are you struggling to create your research paper? Don't worry. In this video, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT as your research assistant, plus a list of prompts you can use at every stage of the research process. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, narrow down broad topics, and find gaps in the literature. Try prompts like, "Give me 10 possible research topics in education." Narrow down this topic. Digital learning tools. What research gaps exist about student motivation? Instead of reading dozens of papers without direction, let ChatGPT summarize theories and viewpoints. Sample prompts. Summarize the main theories about cooperative learning. Compare and contrast Vygotsky and Piaget on child development. Explain constructivism in simple terms for beginners. Once you've identified a problem, ChatGPT can help refine it into research questions, objectives, or even hypotheses. Examples. Help me draft research questions based on this problem. Low reading comprehension in grade 7. Formulate hypotheses about online study habits and student performance. Struggling with methods? ChatGPT can suggest designs, survey questions, or statistical tests. Prompts you can use. Suggest a research design for a study on stress among teachers. What survey questions can measure time management skills? Which statistical tests are best for comparing two groups of students? Even when analyzing results, ChatGPT can guide you in interpretation. Ask things like, explain how to interpret chi-square results in simple terms. How do I present findings from thematic analysis clearly? Need help writing? ChatGPT can polish your paper, draft abstracts, or formalize text. Try prompts such as, draft an introduction for research on climate change awareness. Make this paragraph more academic. Paste text. Summarize my findings in a clear conclusion. Finally, ChatGPT can check grammar, improve flow, and even help format citations. Examples. Check this paragraph for grammar and coherence. Format these references into APA 7th edition. Turn this outline into an abstract. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool, not a replacement for your own critical thinking. Always verify sources and double-check information. With the right prompts, ChatGPT can make your research journey smoother, faster, and more effective.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.